Alright, so we're starting off the vlog at the pump again. Gonna pop out to a new meet. Gotta get some gas. This one actually should be pretty decent. 274. Not bad, not bad. Let me know down in the comment section what gas is by you. But we tried to go out last night, but there was just too many cars, too many cops, and obviously because I got a passenger with me, I gotta be a lot more careful than I usually am. So, ooh, nice Mustang pulling through. Come on, baby, start. I'm telling you, bro, you gotta get the Mustang. That's crazy. I bet with that Audi, you gotta build the motor or whatnot. Or not really build them. You probably don't have to build the motor. The Audis are pretty decent, but you probably got to do a bunch of extra shit.
Turn right onto North Freeway Service Road.
I mean, if you go with an S, they all have like 4 shit turbos on the S.
I mean, at the very least, if you don't want the Mustang, I would 100% I would get like an LS3 C6. I think you'd really like that. An LS3 C6, you'd love. But that Mustang, like, guaranteed, you'll enjoy it. Like, as long as you don't do the bolt-on route, just like very minimal. If you wanted to, you can get long tube headers and then just boost it legitimately. And like 7K, you're gonna make like 700 horsepower. And that's probably gonna be like the fastest thing out there, or one of the fastest things out there.
100% would be. So slow as fuck.
It'd be insane. I'll tell you right now, you'll get all your buddies to like switch to Mustangs. Just get a 10 speed, bro. Like if you just want to go fast, just get a Gen 3 10 speed and do exactly what I told you. You'll destroy like 99% of things you run into. Or get a manual if you want to drive it. It's up to you. I mean, obviously you're gonna have to get like a better tire and shit on it, but like
It's gonna be hard giving up that TSG.
the 10 speed's good. It's really good, trust me. Like you think you're gonna lose a lot, but you're not. That 10 speed is nasty. So yeah, 08 or newer Corvette or a Gen 3 Mustang with the 10 speed automatic. Pick your poison.
I'm surprised those Corvettes keep their fucking heart.
Yeah. They do keep their worth, but it's worth it though. I think a Vette's gonna be my next build, no cap. Probably like a C5. I like the older Vettes, but I think a C5 would be my next build. I want to do like a C5 with like a 408 stroker, and then like a you can't get the ESS kit on like a Corvette, like a C5, but maybe like a D1X Procharger and make like 900 horsepower or something like that out of it. I think I would.
C6.
Huh?
I know the C6.
I like the C5s, man. The C6 is nice. Don't get me wrong. I think it's technically, like if you're trying to go for like raw feel, I think it's technically like the best gen. But I don't know. I just like the older cars, and like the C5, like they're incredibly light. And it's cheap. Parts are cheap. So that's kind of why I would go with the C5 and just kind of build it up. Just get a clean slate. Just get like a clean, you know, unmolested, you know, lightly modified or stock like C5, maybe like a C5Z or something like that, and then just build it up how I want to build it and just enjoy it. happen. It's not like you need to wait like, you know, months on months on months to get parts and shit like that. That's the nice thing about it.
Simple too.
What happened?
The engine bay is so much more simple. Dude.
Yeah, it's very nice. You'll love it, bro. Trust me. Or get the Supra. You really can't go wrong, bro.
No, I really kind of want one of those. Like, out of everything, I think I'm gonna pick the Supra.
LS3 Vet, Gen 3 5.0 or Gen 2, both good. Or just, you know, making power very easily. Or the B58. You really can't go wrong. I wouldn't get one of these. This will be a headache. These shits take a lot of trial and error. Yeah, the actual meat's like in the back. It's like a, they kind of have like a section for like the cars, but people like pull in and they'll walk around. It's legit, bro, trust. And it's nice because like they got the school right here, so nobody's gonna be stupid and do no pulls. Like you'd be an idiot to do a rip down this road. I like this venue a lot better.
That color is crazy.
Yeah. See, like it's like a whole like shopping.
What, is this a shopping mall?
Yeah, it's like a shopping. Yeah, it's yeah, pretty much. They got the whole thing in the back, so you could just like. Got a C6. How's the tuning?
I think it's clean, bro.
I like the yellow. I really like the yellow. I like the yellow. Probably drive down here, and I'm probably gonna put it in the parking garage. Got a bunch of bikes pulling up. The Chevy SS or the Holden. I really like those, man. Those are kind of rare to come by. This isn't even the meat, bro.
Oh, it's not?
No. The meat's over there. I'm actually gonna... I'll cruise through since you're here. I'll cruise through since you're here, but I ain't gonna park it up here. RS8's cold. Like the wrap.
I didn't see this.
It's clean. 5.0 with the Mach 1 bumper. Another Supra. With like the Street Hunter style wing on it.
He has forged carbon on there too.
Yeah. You like forged carbon?
Yeah, but he has normal carbon mixed with it. He should have stuck with
The forged?
just forged or just normal carbon.
Yeah, I feel you on that.
I like that style wing though.
Supras.
Told Chuck to do it.
I like the yellow, man.
It's funny you think about it. The work there and they just like disappear.
No, this blue is sick.
I ain't gonna lie.
I like the
Yeah,
blue.
you know, honestly, like I like
The
white.
yellow's good too.
I like white just because you can do whatever you want. But like, dude, like the yellow and this is like blue or purple. I like it with the carbon, the mirrors and shit.
It's like that McLaren yesterday.
Yeah, that's good. I like it. You can't go wrong, realistically.
Huh?
You can't go wrong with either or. I like this Gen WRX though. Cosmos wheels. IAG built. You know this thing's probably pushing at least 500 horsepower to go short block. I hope. Not bad.
More down there.
Mach 1. I still gotta get this wing on my shit. Got an M4. This actually is a really nice color on this too. Yeah, it's a really nice color.
This one has a track package that has the extra front.
GT350. With the nice spoiler on it. Not bad, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Damn, dude. How much downforce this guy is generating with that wing. That's crazy.
I see the
His Z06 is clean. Oh, it's a 7-speed car too. 7-speed manual. Holy cow, that's actually pretty sick. I think I like the minimalistic look, but they don't look bad.
Hands down, better. Kind of funny, like if you find the BMW version.
The carbon fiber hood on that looks pretty good.
BMW
Dude, they all got that wing on.
Yeah,
What
I'm
the
telling you,
hell?
that wing's sweet.
Every super here has the wing. Damn near. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the POV drive and the meet, man. If you guys enjoy this type of content, make sure you drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. See if I can get you guys some more content tonight, but if not, oh well. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.